everyone, today, okay, I'm going to be giving you an unboxing on my Series 5 Apple Watch, okay? So if you're new to my channel, you should totally subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for coming back, okay? This watch, okay, this was an impulsive buy. I never seen myself getting an Apple Watch. Like, I never really wanted one. I was literally scrolling on Amazon, and then I saw it was on sale. I was like, yeah, it wasn't really a sale. It was just like $20 off. Y'all know the regular price of the watch. Well, I got a 40mm. I don't really see that many unboxings of 40mm. I always see 44. So today I'm giving you a 40mm, okay? When I bought it, I didn't even know what size I bought, to be honest. I wanted to buy the 44mm, but look at my wrist. Very bony, very small, very tiny. It would look terrible on my wrist, okay? Too big. It was like $354. And I bought off of Amazon, and I was kind of scared because I heard about Amazon sending counterfeit products. So I was like, oh my gosh. Like, everything I do, it's always something that pops up later. Like, wow, what if my product is counterfeit? Hopefully it's not. It looks like it's real deal. So I paid like $371, and it came really fast. I really had it, but I just wrapped it up and then put it on the tree so I could open it on Christmas. I really wanted to open it as soon as possible, but I just waited. I bought my parents a Fitbit Versa, so we all got smartwatches for Christmas. I kind of ripped it while I was opening it by accident, so yeah, but right here is the hopefully you can see it. Hopefully it's focusing. It's the 40mm gold aluminum with pink sand. So I'm gonna try my best. It's ripped, so it's not gonna be that great. I'm sorry. Engraved. I'm going to pull up the website and I'm going to read what it has real quick. The Apple Watch, it has, I forgot what it's called. Okay, that's what's called. Always on. It's always on. Like, when you go to sleep, it's on. When you wake up, it's on. You know, always on. It has so many bands to come with it. Like, you can get aluminum band, you get metal bands, you can get sports bands, you can get bands. Very customizable. It comes in aluminum, stainless. It comes in aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, and ceramic. I got the aluminum, I believe. Yes, I got the aluminum. The stainless steel looks really nice. But like I said, it was impulsive buy. I didn't even know they had all those options. I'm also using my iPad Pro. I also got myself this year, but I got it like in July. I'm just reading you what is on the Apple website. I am no tech guru. It has an ECG, which means it like monitors your heart. And it's like FDA approved, I heard. So it has an FDA approved ECG app on there, so it checks your heartbeat, irregularities, and all that good stuff. A noise app, and this is good because I work around airplanes, right? So when they're like checking when they're like changing out airplane stuff, like it's like this one loud noise, y'all. When I'm walking through the airplane hangar, oh my gosh, y'all, that junk is so loud. Like, you have to wear earphones. If you don't, you're going to bust an eardrum. This is going to come in handy when that happens. It also has a period tracker on there, which is really cool because you can track your cycle, if you're having a light flow, a heavy flow, and all in between. I think I got the one with the GPS. I didn't get cellular because that's like a lot more money for some reason. I always have my phone on me, so like I don't really need cellular. It has many fitness goals. It's water resistance from up to 50 meters. I'm not going to be in the water like that, and I'm paranoid. What if I do go in the water and it break? Okay, you can pay for stuff on here. It has a compass. It has fall detection. I don't really be falling like that, so imagine you like fall out the bed and then the thing called 911, you know? So I don't know if I'm going to turn that on because, you know, sometimes I be sleeping kind of rough. I ain't trying to get 911 to come here when I ain't really that hurt, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically it. And I also didn't know because, like I said, this was an impulsive buy. They have a Nike version and they have a Hermes version. That Hermes version looks really good. But who finna pay all that money? We can just get a regular one, okay? But the bands for the Hermes Apple Watch is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. Must be nice to be rich, you know? One day. I know y'all are like, girl, shut up. Open the watch. I'm sorry. I just want to give you some like little details. So, I might have got some makeup on my finger. So I think these little things on the back, I think you just like that. Wait, am I supposed to flip this over? Okay. I'm opening this right because y'all got mad at me last time when I unboxed my iPad. Like, y'all were like, you're not opening it right. I'm like, y'all got mad at me. Like, that video, how unboxing video get dislikes? Explain. You just opening it. This cute little watch thing. Okay, and then here goes the watch. Y'all, this is cute. Like, wow. It's all about presentation. I love that. Like, when there's cute packaging, it's just so extravagant. Like, very professional. Very, very good. So, it comes with the watch, and this is how it looks. I got the gold, of course. Am I filming? Very pretty. I hope you can see it. And here goes the pink sand band. Hopefully this is real. What if I open this and there's nothing there? I'm gonna curse Amazon out. I'm just kidding. But I don't know why I smelled it. Here it goes on the inside. I guess I could put this right here. But here it is. And this is just the I guess this is like the instructions and stuff. Like who reads that, to be honest? Like, immediately when you pair it with your iPhone, the Tips app is gonna pop up and say,
wow, you just purchased an Apple Watch. Here's how to use it, you know?
You ever notice, like, when I bought my AirPods, the tips, like, it literally added AirPods to my tips, and then it gave me tips on that. So, yeah. This, that. And it also comes with the charger. And I've been hearing a lot of reviews about, like, the charger, saying that it doesn't stay charged that long. And like when you first use it, it's gonna run out fast, but as it like wears in, then it gets used to, like, it starts lasting longer. I don't know how that's possible, but that's what they said. So this is the charger thing. I don't really know how this works. So, and then it comes with this, which is very good because these work well with Apple products. Like, all the other ones can't compare. They can't compete with this. Okay, you need this if you have an Apple product because they charge your stuff fast. Okay. That's why they cost so much. Okay, now. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Like, look how tiny that is. And the case is so cute. Like, y'all, look, I'm shaking. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. So it comes with this cute little dust bag, I think. And y'all, I bought my parents the Fitbit, and it's also 40mm, but it's like huge compared to this. So I don't know what that's about. Oh my gosh, y'all, that's perfect for my wrist. Look, it literally takes up my whole small wrist. So this is perfect sizing. But yeah, this is the watch. That's the watch. I hope I unboxed it right because I don't know. Y'all was really mad at me when I unboxed my Apple Pencil and my iPad Pro. Like, oh my gosh, like, I don't know why I got so many dislikes. I heard it comes with 2 bands, but I bought another band for it, so I'm gonna try that on too. I finally opened it. It was really easy. See, that's what I like about Apple. Their stuff, it really has like things, you don't need scissors, basically. So here goes the watch. They give you 2. I'm gonna need the small because my wrists are very, very tiny. I also bought another one from Walmart. It was like $30. So it's a stainless steel. It's a stainless steel link band, and it matches the color of my watch. So there goes my watch. fits really good. I'm probably going to put it on my left wrist. So yeah, that's how that looks. So this is how the watch looks. It's obviously really big from my wrists, but it came with this tool, which will remove some of the links so that it fit. But it's really pretty if it fit. So yeah, I'm sorry I had to film in the wrong way. Oh my gosh. But here it is. My phone has to update my Apple Watch. Yeah, this is the most ratchetest display ever. Like, I am so sorry. Okay, y'all, so I had to redo it, so we're gonna start pairing. Okay, so it's updating. Okay, it's up to date. Okay, so we're gonna set up the watch. I can change that later. Let me just put right. Okay, so it's done. So yeah, it says Brianna's Apple Watch, aluminum 40 in case. Oh, wow. Okay, so which one do I want? Yeah, we're gonna customize this. Okay, so I want something cute. Let's see how that looks. That's pink. I want something pink. I'm gonna just do something real quick because that's cute. Okay, we're gonna add this one. Oh, it changed. So I'm gonna go back to my setup and then I'll be right back. You guys, so I'm back and I'm literally dying, so I'm gonna hurry up and end this video. So I got my watch on. I just got a basic watch face, nothing major. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It wasn't the best, but y'all, I am literally dying in here, so I need to go. My room gets so hot for some reason. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is my Apple Watch 40mm Series 5 watch. I'm gonna go play with it some because I really didn't get to do nothing yet because I've been filming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please. I'm gonna have some more Apple Watch related videos because, you know, it's cute. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And follow my Instagram. I'm gonna put it down on the screen. It's probably gonna be on here the whole video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and I will see you in